Welcome to ZenInbox, connecting your Seznam mailbox. Using IMAP or SMTP, easily integrate your Seznam.cz account with ZenInbox. Using IMAP SMTP for seamless email sending and receiving. Follow this step-by-step guide to set up your Seznam mailbox. Navigate to Mailboxes in ZenInbox. Click Add Mailboxes in the top right corner. Select Add Manually to proceed. Choose IMAP/SMTP as your connection type. Click Next to continue. First name, enter your first name. Last name, enter your last name. Email ID, enter your Seznam.cz address. Click Next to proceed. Seznam.cz requires an app password for external mail clients. Follow these steps to generate one. Go to Seznam Account Settings, Seznam Security Settings. Log into your Seznam.cz account. Navigate to the Safety section. Scroll down to Passwords for external applications. Click More Details, then select Generate a new password. Copy the app password. You will need this in the next steps. Username, enter your Seznam.cz email. Password, use the app password you generated from Seznam. IMAP. Host, use imap.seznam.cz, IMAP. Port, use 993 for a secure connection. IMAP/TLS, toggle on to enable encryption. Click Next to continue. Username, enter your Seznam.cz email. Password, use the app password you generated from Seznam. SMTP host, use smtp.seznam.cz, SMTP port. Use 465 for a secure connection. SMTP/TLS, toggle on for encrypted email sending. Optional, to set a different reply. To email, check the Set Reply To box and enter the desired email address. Click Next to proceed. You can create a custom email signature for outgoing emails. Click Finish to complete the setup. Success! Your Seznam mailbox is now connected. You will see a confirmation message. IMAP added successfully. Your Seznam.cz mailbox is now ready for sending and receiving emails in ZenInbox.